Want to know how to open your project in Terminal in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. And now, once you've done that, here you should be seeing your project opened up. And on the left side, you might also see your project tab. So if you don't, just simply head towards Window right here on top and then select Projects right here. Now once you selected project, just simply select your current project first. Just left click on it once and then right click on it to extend it. Now here you should be seeing various options, and now since we want to open our project in Terminal, right above Open in System you should be seeing Open in Terminal. Just simply select it, and now once you have done that, your project should be open in our Terminal after a while. So right here you can see it has been opened in our Terminal, that is of Maven project 2, which I am on right now currently. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.